Hey there, gorgeous souls, and welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so thrilled you're here because we're exploring a mascara that promises to give our lashes that bold, unforgettable impact. Say hello to Tarte Maneater Voluptuous Mascara in the shade Brown. This one claims to curl, lengthen, and volumize with a 16-hour long wear formula, all while staying ultra creamy and free of common irritants like parabens, phthalates, and fragrance. Intrigued yet? Let's see how it really performs. From the moment I picked up this mascara, I noticed the custom 500+ bristle brush, designed to coat and separate each lash for a wide-eyed effect. The formula itself is rich and creamy, so it glides smoothly without tugging. The mascara is touted as long-wearing and volumizing, and it's reassuringly free of harsh chemicals, making it a great option for sensitive eyes or contact lens wearers. Testing it in my everyday routine, I found the application quite effortless. The brush holds just the right amount of product, allowing me to build volume without clumping. One coat gives a natural, lifted curl with noticeable length, while layering 2 or 3 coats delivers that dramatic, false lash effect. I wore it from my morning coffee run to an evening dinner, and I was pleased to find it held up remarkably well, minimal smudging or flaking throughout the day. The texture feels lightweight despite the intense look it creates, which is always a plus when you want to avoid that heavy, spidery lash feel. What I absolutely loved is how the mascara separates each lash, preventing them from sticking together, and gives a soft yet intense brown finish that's more flattering for daytime wear compared to jet black. On the flip side, if you're someone who likes a very wet formula that can be layered obsessively without any drying time, this one may take a couple of seconds longer to fully set between coats. So, weighing the good and the not so good. It's creamy, long-lasting, volumizing, and curl-enhancing, plus cleanly formulated. The minor drawback would be that it requires a bit of patience for heavy layering to avoid clumps. Overall, it strikes a beautiful balance between dramatic and wearable. In terms of value, Tarte positions this mascara in the premium category, but considering the unique brush, long wear performance, and clean formula, I'd say it's justified if you're seeking a high-impact mascara that doesn't compromise on eye safety or sensitivity. Compared to other volumizing mascaras I've tried, Maneater's brush really makes a difference in separating lashes while building intensity, standing out from standard plastic or traditional bristle brushes. The packaging itself is sturdy and sleek, giving it a premium feel, and I found the mascara keeps its performance consistent over several months without drying out. While I haven't needed to contact Tarte's customer support, the brand generally has a solid reputation for responsive service. If you're curious about alternatives, more budget-friendly mascaras like Maybelline Lash Sensational or L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise provide similar volumizing effects, though the brush technology and creamy formula might not match Maneater's precision and lash separation. Ultimately, Tarte Maneater Voluptuous Mascara delivers on its promises for long-lasting, volumized, and curled lashes. It's ideal for anyone who wants an everyday dramatic look without compromising lash health or clean beauty standards. If this review is helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for tuning in, and if you've tried this mascara, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. The link to grab yours is in the description box or comments. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.